This is my first live. I'm here. Um, I'm trying to take a trade. I'm trying to take this trade. I'm trying to take a supply setup. Zone I will sell. This is here because they took this is liquidity. So there were people stop losses here. So this move up here came to grab this liquidity. This move here came to grab this liquidity. Okay, so since this came to grab this liquidity at the candlesticks, look at the type of candlestick that grab the liquidity. So this automatically is my supply. I am waiting for price to come back into the supply so that I will sell. I am checking on the pairs that I have here. I only trade take setups with I only take setups with liquidity. This is DAX. They grabbed liquidity with this move. Can you look at this candle here? They grabbed liquidity with it. They took the stop losses that were here. This is an equal high. This is an equal high. And they use this candle to take the liquidity. Okay? And when they take the liquidity, they are usually going down. You understand? When they take the liquidity, they move because they have the money. The institutions have the money. So since this is the move, this is the candle that took this liquidity, I'm going to have my supply here. I can take just one candle or two candles. Okay, so let's go back to my setup. So it's on my zone now. I'm going to take this trade. I'm going to take this trade, and my stop loss will be. I'll wait for the price to drop to flick back so that I can take the trade. I am targeting 1 to 1 risk to reward. Let me place a Fibonacci here so I can get a clue. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. This I will take the trade on my MetaTrader. I'm taking the sell. So this is my signal candle. If it breaks, I'll take the sell. If it doesn't break, I'll take the trade. So this, the first candle that came to my zone is called the signal candle. So I'm hoping it drops so that I can take a sell. So if I have to put a stop loss, my stop loss will be just above here at I can put it at 361. Okay, I have 363 here. My stop loss would be at 364. Okay, let's say 364. And my take profit will be 1 to 1. If the next candle comes and wants to break this low, this green candle, I'll sell. If the next candle comes to break this low, I'll sell. Hello. So let's see if the next candle breaks. So, so if this candle breaks this, I'll be on a trade. My stop loss is above here. I'm waiting for price to break this green candle. I'm waiting for price to break this green candle. If it breaks this green candle, I'm in. I'm in a trade. So let's see how it goes. I'm in a trade now. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm going to add another position Here, I added another position around here. Added a third position. So I added two more positions here. I added two more positions here. So let's see. I took this trade because it broke structure. Um, it took liquidity. Um, so I'm just trying to see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. If it takes us out, then we lose. Perhaps I'm going to take our stop loss. Okay, that's the trade. Oh, okay, we lost on this one. So I'm going to re-enter again if it gives me another confirmation. I'm going to take another trade if it gives me another confirmation. If it breaks, I will not be trading again. If it breaks the zone, if it doesn't break the zone, then we are still on this trade. It's probably going to grow. If this doesn't break, I'm still selling. I'm still selling, taking the break of this. If I have my stop loss here, I'm definitely sure they wouldn't come. So now they have the money. Yeah. If they break this candle money, got that drop from that from the dance I explained. Can you see that rejection? Can you see that rejection? Look at that rejection. will have taken days if I were looking at that. It might actually push up because it is giving us this rejection candle. It is giving us these rejection candles and it is breaking candles to the upside. So if it breaks up, that is fine. If it breaks down, I'm taking the sell. I'm waiting for this candle to break the low of candles. This is my resistance. This red part is a resistance. You understand? So if I do this, let's see. Let's see what the price is going to be first. If I had my stop loss here, they wouldn't have taken me out. You understand? So it's supply and demand is always tricky. Choose to have your stop loss above the height of the highest point of the candle, or you can choose to put it at 2 pips above the zone. Okay, so you can choose to put it here, or you can choose to put it here. Okay, so you see that I had my stop loss here, and they took me out. But if my stop loss were here, they wouldn't have taken me out. I mean, so my stop loss is here. My stop loss is here. If I had my stop loss here, they wouldn't have taken me out. So taking another entry there. I'm taking another entry here. Okay, so we've lost second time. So I will be off for the day. If I take two losses, then I'll be done for the day. But let's see if it still drops. Okay, let's see if it still drops. Let's see if the market still drops. I like to take trades. I like to take another entry if the market is breaking my zone. I mean, like if it's about hitting my stop loss, I usually take double another entry. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Let's see if the market is going to drop or break this zone. Let's see if the market will break this zone. So that was my entry, and this was supposed to be um, when I raised my stop loss here and my entry here. My first entry was here. My first entry was here, and my second entry was here. My second entry was here. So I wanted to get this, like I wanted to get the profit that comes from here to here. You understand? So usually, if I take a position here and the market pulls back, getting close to my entry, I take another position. Okay, when it pulled back, I usually take another position. So that was why I took this position here. So they would probably take us out. So let's see. But I've closed my trade. I am not trading again for the day. If I lose two positions, I wouldn't be trading again for the day. For the day. So let's see what happens. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this stunt. Look at this stunt. But let's see. At least it gave us if you had this here, this here. It didn't even give it didn't give us a one to one. So they came down with this supply, then broke the zone. So that was why I checked to know if we have a news today. I don't know, but I don't know if it's because of this FOMC meetings, and that's why the market is dealing with us. So I don't know why it's doing like this. I don't know why it's doing like that. um let's see what happens on Geo. If it's going to take us out, if it's going to break this zone or just drop after taking all the liquidity here. It is taking all this liquidity here. That was what this candle is going to take this. So remember what I said about placement of stop loss. Your placement of stop loss really matters a lot. Remember, you can always place your stop loss here, 2 pips or 3 pips above the zone or above the highest week. You could see they didn't break the zone. If I had my stop loss here, they wouldn't have taken me out. Okay, so um, these are the two things you have to know. You can place your stop loss here above the candles, or you can place it above the zone. So I'm trying to see what happens. This is rejecting above this my EMAs, but it will still go down. If they don't break this zone, then it is going down for sure. So this is my first uh, live on YouTube. On my first live, I lost a trade because I didn't move here. But let's see if I want to make this declaration. If they don't come to break this high, I'm going to always put my stop losses above the zone, because I don't put my stop loss above the zone. I don't put my stop losses above the zone. Let's see what happens. So from today onwards, I am always going to put my stop loss above the zone. I'm always going to have my stop loss above the zone, and I'm not going to leave my stop loss above the weeks anymore. So we took 2 losses, and they didn't break the zone, and they still dropped. Okay, so it is something that it is tricky. It is tricky because this is supply and demand, and it is what it is. Like, take the loss, and like, dust yourself up and pick yourself up again, and like, just keep on doing it. Just keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. So I think I'll be out of the charts now, because I don't like to stay in the market for too long when I lose, because I might be tempted to take a trade. Okay, so let's see how many pips we got here. This is 8 pips. Let's see what DAX is doing. Broke the zone and dropped. Quarter four. The quarter four of the last economic calendar used to be garbage. Like, Let's see, let's see, let's see. Here, I think if I have this, I think if I were in this trade here, I would probably be getting off of my chart, off of the trade because of this candle. This candle, I'll be exiting the trade. I'll be exiting the trade. Isn't this candle isn't nice? Like this hammer. This hammer is not nice. I don't think it's nice. I don't think it's nice. So here, if I were on this trade, probably like if you're on this trade here again, I think I'll be leaving this trade if I get this type of candle. If I get this type of candle, I might be leaving the trade. But I got this type of candle here. But if I get a green, I might probably leave the trade because it might push price up. But let's see. This candle, this hammer is not good. Like if you're getting hammer candlesticks on your supply, just exit the trade, stop the trade, stop the trade. So I think I'm enjoying this live trade, but it's not good. I took two losses. I took the losses. I lost on two positions. I lost. My first entry was the break of this candle. It took me in with this green candle. My stop loss was above here, and it took me out. I lost here. I entered three positions on the first. Three positions on the first. It took me out. I lost that one, and I took another entry at the break of this. At the break of this candle, and my stop loss was here. My stop loss was I think here, and it took me out. So I lost two times, and uh, I lost three positions. I actually lost five positions. I actually lost five positions. That's so that's why I said I'm not trading. I won't be trading again today. So it was two trades, but five positions. One trade was three positions, and the second trade was two positions. But remember, they've not broken this zone. So if I had my stop loss above here, I think I don't know what I'll be doing right now, but like I probably would have gotten out of my trade if I had seen this green candle. But let's see if they break the zone. Let's see if they break the zone. They might not break this zone if they took this liquidity with this candle. This they grabbed this liquidity with this candle. So I'm waiting for them. I am seriously waiting for them. I'm waiting for them. I want to know what they have to do or what they want to do. I want to know what they want to do. I was looking at this pair, Euro AUD. It's one of my favorite now. They don't have a setup. Mm, drops. Okay, now I'm not going to take this as a setup. So I'm going to see what they have to do here. Drops. Okay, now I'll see what they have to do here. I think I'll have this one. They don't want to break this one. But they actually break this one if you want to. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see. They've been consolidating here. They've been consolidating here, moving up, down, up, down, up, down. So let's see what other players are doing. Let's see what XPX is doing. I don't like to sell SPX. GJ. Mm, GJ got a decent trade. I like this. I like this. I like this stuff. I like that. This is 2 pips. That's not a good candle. Sometimes you should measure your candles. Okay, you can measure your candles. This is 22 pips, 23 pips. Wow, that's too big. I really want to take this trade because I know it will drop. I really do want to take it because I know it will drop. And if I have to take it, I will take the break of this. I'll take the break of this candle. I really want to take it because I know it will drop. If it breaks that green candle, I will be on that trade. If it breaks this green candle, I'll be on the trade. Yeah, I don't like to take I don't like to trade again after losing two trade, but this I don't know, but this trade is actually tempting. Why I said that's actually why I said I don't like I like staying out of the charts when I take a loss, because I might be tempted to trade again. So this is my temptation coming to pass. This is my temptation coming to pass because I don't like to stay on the screen if I take a loss, because I might, though yes I do control my emotions, but if I, because sometimes they might just come to take you out and then drop again. Okay, so it's always kind of tricky. But if it follows my rules, then I might take it. If it follows my rule, I might. Remember, I've taken two losses today. The reason why I said I might take it again is because of this candle. This candle is a liquidity grab candle. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but this candle is a liquidity. So that's why I said that I might take it because of that liquidity grab, because of this candle. They didn't break the zone. They didn't break the zone. I would have wanted them to break the zone, but they didn't break the zone to prove me wrong. So if they want to go up, they should break the zone. And if they don't break the zone, this is definitely coming down. But when it starts consolidating like this, it usually gets too dirty. Well, I don't think I can continue waiting for this. 53 minutes. This is consolidating too much on my zone. It's consolidating too much on my zone, and I don't think I am taking this trade anymore. It is consolidating too much on my zone. Let's see if we've got another thing. No, no, GJ, no. So I think this is the end of our live session. We'll come back again tomorrow. Okay, we'll come back again tomorrow if if I would have a live session again. Alright guys, if we wait for this candle, if this candle doesn't close below, if this candle doesn't flip, we'll be done with the live trade. If this candle doesn't flip, it doesn't have it. If you look at this candle, if you look at this candle doesn't have um a wick. So if it doesn't flip here, we'll be done. We've just got 2 minutes, 16 seconds. 2 minutes, 16 seconds. We've got 2 minutes. Okay, flips. I don't think it just flipped. It didn't flip. 50 seconds. 50 seconds. 40 seconds. Flip. 29 seconds. 20 seconds. Okay, so I don't think what we doing there. I think we're done about. So I think it's about it. It's about it. The market isn't going our way. It doesn't want to go our way. It's just been consolidating here, So I am getting off and I am closing my everything. So let's make this to 1 hour. 58 and straight. Bye.